Let me see.
You ready for the reveal here? Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh my god! No!
ThrillMouseMoto. So at this point you're probably wondering why there's a random Scotsman doing the voiceover. Barry's not here right now. Not here right now. Well, I'm at an answering machine. So Barry can't come at the phone right now because he's over in Scotland doing a voiceover for me. I should say I'm the Border Ryker. So if you haven't already subscribed here, I thought you said you didn't get views here. That's a view. Where was I? Oh yes, so if you haven't already subscribed here, get subscribing because this is a fantastic channel. And then when you've finished watching this video, go over to my channel, the Border Ryker. Please like, share, subscribe, all that kind of stuff. It'll help both of our channels and we'll be eternally grateful. Thanks. You gotta love that Honda Shadow. This is a sweet ride.
What?
This is a quiet neighborhood.
And you got your secret garden going on up there.
We're gonna go all the way from 620.
I don't hear anything anymore.
You have the direction?
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to Mitchell.
Hi, Mitchell. Where's your motorcycle? And get Barry to buy you one for Christmas.
I need the back seat. I need a back seat, saddle, sidecar.
Oh, Kevin said he's gonna put his on his shelf. He's gonna put like a little dog, like skeleton dog, like on it with like goggles and stuff. He was talking about doing like a whole skeleton sitting like it's a side.
Yeah, do a little side.
Yeah, like a sidecar.
You can get one that'll stay.
Yeah. And then I was telling him like they make look like little dog ones or whatever. So it'd be cool. Put him like in a basket or something with like some swim goggles on his face.
I love how when you're pulling away here, first Brian shatters the neighbourhood's peace and quiet, and then the Ryker just roars into life. It's superb. She just growls like a beast. And a weight back from a Harley. Bonus. Just letting everyone know who's boss. Can you imagine how much work it would have taken to carve this road out of the landscape? When you see how it's been brought down at either side, that is a massive amount of work. What an incredible view. That is insane. In both directions, what a landscape. A lot of people don't like riding on the highways or the motorways. I disagree with that. I actually enjoy them because you get more of an opportunity to look around and see what there is. And because all the traffic's going in one direction, it's actually safer. So yeah, I really enjoy riding on bigger roads because, well, plus people always are checking out the Ryker and it's so cool. America's such an amazing place. I only ever got one opportunity to visit the States. When I was in Canada, I was in South Saskatchewan with the British Army, and we got some R&R. We got the chance to go across the border and into the States. And unfortunately, a few days before that, I was in an RTA, a road traffic accident, and I ended up in hospital for a couple of weeks. So I missed R&R altogether, and I missed the chance to visit America. Calm down, Brian. Where was I? Oh yes, and that was a shame because America has got absolutely everything. It's got mountains, it's got prairies, it's got cities, it's got desert, it's got every kind of landscape you could imagine. It's an absolute biker's paradise. Yeah, never mind, maybe one day. Vista Brewing. This sounds interesting. Proving the versatility of the 600 as it easily carves its way down the dirt track. Stealth parking, level pro. That's inspired. So okay, here we go. I hope you're ready for this.
Looks nice. No, it doesn't. That's what we're talking about.
Oh, not the sound.
Oh, outside?
Yeah. In the building, so.
This is like if prison served beer.
Mm-hmm.
COVID.
Oh, is that what's happening? Alright, the reveal. You ready?
I forgot all about it.
Forgot about. Oh, yeah.
Let me see.
You ready for the reveal here? Here it goes. Here it goes.
Oh my god! No, you didn't. Oh my.
You didn't know that was under there the whole time?
I need a drink. Turn it. Oh my god. You like that?
Oh, yeah.
What do you call it again?
North side fade.
North side fade.
No, north side edge up.
Yeah, north side edge up. Oh, you got the west side edge up.
It's like the
No, that's like the mental institution.
Oh,
That's the
west
mental
side.
institution edge up.
West side to the left, to the left. Oh god.
That's what you get at a mental institution.
West side edge up with bangs, dude. Like,
With bangs.
with the bangs on there.
Dude, not even a fade, dude. That's not even really an edge up, dude.
Yeah.
That's just straight up west side.
That's what you get at the mental institution.
Dude, the one that your mental friend gives you at the when they admit me and me and Brian and I.
Oh, that's pretty awesome,
One
dude.
flew over cuckoo's
I know.
nest.
Like I said, the guy's like, you gonna get like a haircut though? Like get like a fade, or are you just gonna? I go, yeah. But it's funny because it looks like the hair that I had the other day, and then I go,
Terrible.
You, sir, are certifiably insane. You know that, right? Climbing the hill up to the road again proves to be no problem at all to the 600 Ryker. And there's the gravel. So welcome, Barry, to the world of ridiculous tattoos. I can't show you mine, because it's on a place that the world really, really doesn't need to see. Ever. Cruising like Easy Rider. Looking cool. And another fine view. I always like the look of a really forested area. I think it's brilliant. You always have to wonder how many bodies are in there. So I'd just like to thank Barry and ThrillMouseMoto for this crazy idea and for asking me to be part of it. Thank you. So, like I say, subscribe to ThrillMouseMoto. The guys are amazing. After that, come over to my channel, the Border Ryker, and watch a few videos, like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. It costs no one anything and it helps both of us. So wherever you are, I hope the weather's glorious and the roads are empty. Catch you next time, guys.